I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making a separate calendar labeled Daily Planner so entries stay focused. Open Google Calendar settings, create that calendar, and set default event length to 30 minutes or 1 hour for realistic blocks. Once done, choose a weekday custom view and enable notifications. This ensures you get reminders. Make sure your time zone and working hours are correct so events don't shift. These quick steps prevent clutter and create a predictable scaffold for the next detailed planning stage. You now fill the scaffold with blocks. Create repeating blocks for morning routine, deep work, admin, and breaks. Drag to resize so tasks match realistic effort. Longer tasks get 2 or more adjacent blocks. Assign a color per category and include labels like high, medium, low priority in the title. Once done, attach documents or links in the description and add guests only for collaborative slots. This gives visual cues and reduces decision friction during the day. You finish by refining. Convert quick to-dos into tasks for checklist behavior and keep events for timed commitments. Perform a weekly review, move recurring blocks, batch similar work, and tighten notifications. Make sure default reminders and color rules persist across devices. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot by verifying the correct Google account is active, resyncing the calendar on mobile, and checking sharing permissions. Often a simple toggle or relogin fixes missing events. Then
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.